In this video, we listed the 5 best wire stripping machine on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Electric wire stripping. The electric wire stripping machine 1 to 23 mm 1 to 25 mm cable stripper is a convenient tool designed to automatically strip wires, saving time and effort. With a powerful motor ranging from 60 W to 180 W, this machine can efficiently strip wires at a speed of up to 20 m per minute. Its transparent acrylic plate allows for easy observation and operation, while the lightweight aluminum alloy construction ensures portability. Safety features such as a protective shell and emergency stop button enhance user security. This machine is ideal for recycling copper wires by removing insulation, accommodating cables with diameters ranging from 1 mm to 25 mm. The package includes the electric wire stripping machine, a replaceable blade, and a pair of work gloves. Perfect for electronic applications, this machine is customizable and comes with CE certification, originating from mainland China. Number 2. 38 mm electric wire stripping machine. The BXJ038 is a versatile stripping machine made of aluminum alloy with a voltage requirement of 220-240 V. It features a blue oxidation surface treatment, weighing 25.5 kilograms and measuring 45*29 times 36 centimeters in size. With a stripping range of 1 to 38 mm, it operates at a power of 370 W/750 W and a stripping speed of 30 m per minute. Before purchasing, customers are advised to specify their voltage and plug requirements, handle customs duties themselves, and be aware of shipping methods and additional charges for remote areas. The product may undergo appearance changes due to upgrades, but its functions remain consistent. Originating from mainland China, the BXJ038 offers reliable performance for various stripping needs. Number 3. Wire stripping machine. The electric wire stripping machine cable peeler for copper scrap with a stripping diameter of 5 to 38 mm and a power of 370 W is a high-efficiency tool designed for stripping a wide range of wires. This machine features 11 channels and 10 blades, ensuring quick and precise wire stripping. Constructed with high-quality aluminum alloy material, it offers durability and portability. Safety is a priority with its protective housing and emergency stop button. The automatic wire stripping capability saves time and effort, while the powerful motor enables a stripping speed of up to 98 feet per minute. The machine's transparent acrylic plate allows for easy operation, and its lightweight design enhances portability. With a focus on security, the protective shell and emergency stop button reduce the risk of accidents. Ideal for recycling copper wires by removing insulation, this machine is suitable for cables with diameters ranging from 0.06 to 1.5 inches. Number 4. Automatica stripping machine. The Automatic electric wire stripping machine is a versatile tool designed to automatically strip wires, offering a time-saving and cost-effective solution for stripping copper and aluminum wires. With a powerful motor ranging from 60 W to 750 W, it enables efficient wire stripping at a speed of up to 20 m per minute. The machine features a transparent acrylic plate for easy operation, a lightweight aluminum alloy build for portability, and thoughtful security measures such as a protective shell and an emergency stop button to prevent accidents. Ideal for recycling copper by removing insulation from wires ranging from 1 mm to 38 mm in diameter, this machine comes with essential accessories like a replaceable blade and work gloves. Buyers are advised on tariff and clearance issues, payment methods, shipping instructions, and customer feedback policies. The seller emphasizes prompt payment completion, efficient shipping within 48 hours, and responsive customer service within 24 hours. Additionally, the machine comes with a 1-year warranty and return policy for defective items. Number 5. 750 W wire stripping machine. The electric wire stripping machine 370W/750W is a convenient tool for efficiently removing plastic and rubber insulation from wires to recycle copper. With automatic wire stripping capability, a powerful motor, and a stripping speed of up to 20 m per minute, this machine saves time and labor costs. The transparent acrylic plate and lightweight aluminum alloy construction enhance convenience and portability. Safety features like a protective shell, emergency stop button, and hand safeguard ensure secure operation. Suitable for cables ranging from 1 to 38 mm in diameter, this machine is ideal for various applications. The package includes the electric wire stripping machine, a replaceable blade, and a pair of work gloves. With certifications like CE, this product is of high quality and originates from mainland China.